working with Autodesk CAD software, and need to access a SMB symbol library. This is a reusable symbol collection used in technical drawings and schematics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to load and use these symbol library files. Pro tip: for SMB files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. SMB files are symbol library files used by various Autodesk applications to store reusable graphical symbols and components. They contain predefined drawing elements such as electrical components, mechanical parts, architectural fixtures, or custom symbols, enabling consistent reuse across multiple drawings and projects in CAD workflows. SMB symbol library files use Autodesk-specific format, storing vector graphic definitions for symbols with attached attribute data, attachment points, scaling parameters, and category metadata. The format references the host application's drawing primitives and includes symbol indexing for quick library browsing within the CAD environment. Windows registers the SMB file as an opener for Autodesk AutoCAD XCAD, developed by Autodesk Inc. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows offers only top-level details, so proper interpretation depends on the correct application. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the SMB file and select Open With. Test Autodesk AutoCAD XCAD first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. Because the SMB format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, loading in Autodesk software. Open the appropriate Autodesk application such as AutoCAD or AutoCAD Electrical, and use the symbol library or block manager interface. Browse to the SMB file location and load the library, making all symbols available for insertion into drawings. Drag symbols from the library palette onto the drawing canvas as needed. Next, converting to standard blocks. Extract symbols from the SMB library and save them as individual DWG block files for broader compatibility. Use AutoCAD's WBlock command to write each symbol as a separate file. This conversion enables sharing symbols with users running different Autodesk products or third-party CAD applications that support DWG format. Finally, migrating library content. For long-term symbol library management, consider converting SMB content to modern formats like DWG block libraries or third-party formats supported by Autodesk Vault. This migration ensures symbols remain accessible as Autodesk software evolves and provides centralized symbol management for engineering teams across projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.